Assalamualaikum friends, how are you all? Did you know tomorrow is first Ramadan and everyone here is really happy. Ali and Zara are extra excited because their moms allowed them to fast this year. Isn't that amazing? Let's go see how they are preparing.
Assalamu alaikum auntie. Assalamu alaikum Ali. Walaikum assalam Zara.
Walaikum assalam beta.
Did you know it's Ramzan tomorrow? Yes, I know. My mom said I could even fast. Right, Mom?
Yes, but only you pray on time and are on your best behavior.
Oh, how fun it will be.
But you know, Ramadan is about more than just fasting, right? You have to be kind to others and pray to Allah for everyone.
Yes, we know.
Good. Now go to the class. I heard the teachers talking about Ramadan today.
Yes, Mom, she is. It's going to be so fun. Yes, it will be. Ali, let's go. We're going to be late. Okay, Zara, I'm coming. Allah Hafiz, Mama.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, Auntie.
Ramadan is the month of blessings for all. Ramadan is the month of bounties from God. Let's celebrate. Let's all keep fast. But don't forget, why do we have to fast? Ramadan is the month of blessings for all. Ramadan is the month of bounties from God. We have to be kind. We have to be nice. We have to be patient and do sacrifice. Ramzan is the month of blessings for all. Ramzan is the month of blessings for all. Happy Ramazan, everyone.